Hey team, welcome to ACE Academy. I'm Harini and today we'll be looking at the current affairs of February 16, 2021. So without much delay, let's get into the first question. So the first question is, which state or union territory has launched the Zero COVID by February 28 campaign to ensure zero COVID-19 cases? So the answer is option A, Puducherry. So Puducherry has launched the Zero COVID by February 28 campaign to ensure zero COVID-19 cases. Then moving on to the next question. So the second question is, the Exim Bank has announced to give $400 million to which country? So the answer is option B, Maldives. So Exim Bank has announced to give $400 million to Maldives. It is providing fund to Maldives for Greater Mail Connectivity Project. And Exim, the full form of Exim is Export Import Bank of India. The full form is Export Import Bank of India, and the Chief Executive Officer of Exim is David Rascuna. Then moving on to the next question. So the third question is, the Prime Minister Modi has dedicated to the nation the rupees 6,000 crore PDPP development by the Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited in which state? So the answer is option B, Kerala. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has dedicated to the nation rupees 6,000 crore PDPP development by Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited, and the Chief Executive Officer of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited is K. Padmakar. Then moving on to the next question. So the fourth question is, who has been appointed as the MD and CEO of Tata Motors? So the answer is option B, Mark Listsilla. So Mark Listsilla has been appointed as the MD and Chief Executive Officer of Tata Motors. Then moving on to the next question. So the fifth question is, Puligor Venkata has been appointed as the Chief Justice of High Court of which state? So the answer is option B, Manipur. So Puligor Venkat has been appointed as the Chief Justice of Manipur High Court. Then moving on to the next question. So the sixth question is, the Mandu festival has been celebrated in which state of India? So the answer is option D, Madhya Pradesh. So Mandu festival has been celebrated in Madhya Pradesh. Then moving on to the next question. So the seventh question is, who has announced her candidacy to be its next Secretary General of United States? So the answer is option D, Akanksha Arora. So Akanksha Arora has announced her candidacy to be its next Secretary General of UN. Then moving on to the next question. So the eighth question is, what is the authorized share capital of National Insurance Company Limited increased by Cabinet? So the answer is option A, rupees 7,500 crore. So the authorized share capital of the National Insurance Company Limited has been increased to rupees 7,500 crore, and the chairman of National Insurance Company Limited is Tajender Mukherjee. So Tajender Mukherjee is the chairman of National Insurance Company Limited. Then moving on to the next question. So the ninth question is, which state police has launched Hamari Suraksha mobile Hath 10907? So the answer is option B, Uttar Pradesh. So Uttar Pradesh police has launched the Hamari Suraksha mobile Hath 10907. Then moving on to the next question. So the 10th question is, Pushpa Virendra Gandiwala has been appointed as the additional judge of which High Court? So the answer is option B, Bombay High Court. So Pushpa Virendra Gandiwala has been appointed as the additional judge of Bombay High Court. Then moving on to the next question. So the 11th question is, the ISRO has opened its UR Rao Satellite Center in which city? So the answer is option C, Bangalore. So ISRO has opened its UR Rao Satellite Center in Bangalore, and UR Rao Satellite Center, it is a center for design, development and construction of Indian satellites. Then moving on to the next question. So the 12th question is, how much amount will be infused by the finance ministry in the state owned general insurance companies during the ongoing quarter of fiscal 2020 to 2021 for the recapitalization? So the answer is option C, rupees 3,000 crore. So 3,000 crore amount will be infused by the finance ministry in the state owned general insurance companies, and the finance minister is Nirmala Sitharaman. Then moving on to the next question. So the 13th question is, who is said to be the next DG of International Solar Alliance? So the answer is option B, Ajay Mathur. So Ajay Mathur will be the next DG of International Solar Alliance, and he will replace Upendra Tripathi. Then moving on to the next question. So the 14th question is, how many female scientists have been conferred with the ACRB Women Excellence Award 2021? So the answer is option C, 4. So 4 female scientists have been conferred with the ACRB Women Excellence Award. And the full form of ACRB is Science and Engineering Research Board. Then moving on to the next question. So the 15th question is, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid the foundation stone of the Grand Aniket Canal system in which state? So the answer is option D, Tamil Nadu. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi has laid the foundation stone of the Grand Aniket Canal system in Tamil Nadu. Then moving on to the next question. So the 16th question is, which country has organized the multinational maritime exercise Aman? So the answer is option A, Pakistan. So Pakistan has organized the multinational maritime exercise, and it is been, so 45 countries have taken part in this exercise. Then moving on to the next question. So the 17th question is, which state has signed an agreement with Flipkart to promote wooden toys and local handicraft? So the answer is option C, Maharashtra. So Maharashtra has signed an agreement with Flipkart to promote wooden toys and local handicrafts. Then moving on to the next question. So the 18th question is, the Lok Sabha has passed which state or union territory reorganization amendment bill? So the answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. So the Lok Sabha has passed an amendment bill to reorganize Jammu and Kashmir. Then moving on to the next question. So the 19th question is, which state forest department has banned the wearing of monal bird creased on the cap? So the answer is option A, Himachal Pradesh. Then moving on to the next question. So the last question is, which Indian force has signed a contract with the Titagarh Wagon for construction of 5 DSCs? So the answer is option A, Indian Army. So the answer is option E, Indian Army. So Indian Army has signed a contract with Titagarh Wagon for construction of 5 DSCs, and the full form of DSCs is driving support craft. So that's it, we are done for the day, and thank you for watching our video. And if you think that we are doing good, please let us know in the comment section below, because it means a lot to us. And meet you in my next video. Till then, bye. It's me, Harini, signing off.